Okay. Daisy, come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the DreamWorks Theatre. It's showtime. Rika, lights. Well, that could have gone better. All right, boys, places. Let's put on a show. Hey, where's my macchiato? Get ready for the donkey and Shrek show.
You mean the Shrek and Donkey show?
Yeah, both dogs.
Oh, come on. I know you all here to see me, right?
If you folks came to see anybody, you came to see me.
But I'm the cutest!
I'm the sweetest.
I hate to break it to you, but we're doing a Kung Fu Panda show.
See what?
Says who?
Says everybody here, right? Especially these guys in front and maybe that family over there. They're obviously Kung Fu fans. Look! The helmet of Master Thundering Rhino.
I see you thundering round and raise you one talking donkey.
Wait, look at this. The Sword of Heroes.
Oh, aren't we hoity-toity fancy?
And the coolest thing of all, the Ming Hammer. A relic so powerful it can knock you into the spirit realm.
Check these. I can't compete with that.
Hold it. Oh, you've just received a message from
The Emperor! Ooh. My clever son has been asked to make a special delivery for the Emperor.
How do you know that?
Simple. I read his mail.
Is that the delivery?
Oh, that looks important.
It's more than important. This is a liquid of ultimate power.
Well, if the Emperor needs that delivery, then we'll make sure he gets it. Right, guys?
But we may not all survive.
Okay.
Poppy reporting for duty!
She said duty! Sorry, guys. I think we may need some warriors that are a little, bigger.
Aww! Wait, I know something fun. Let's have a tea party.
That's the boat.
Ooh, how about if you guys come as backup?
You're serious?
This is gonna be great! Meet you inside. I must have that liquid! Oh, the Ming Hammer, the liquid of ultimate power, would be mine. Hey everybody, are you ready to go? Okay guys, fill her up! Oh, Dad, let me help you.
Oh, you're such a good son.
Oh!
Hey, you there, Mr. Butterfingers. Be careful with that.
Hang on, everybody. This should be quite a ride. Imperial Palace, here we come. This is so exciting.
Oh, watch where we're going. We're going to hit those rocks.
Hang on, everybody.
That's weird. It's like the river just ends up ahead.
Let me see that. According to the map, it's a waterfall.
Hey! I hope you can swim.
Glad you're back. Not be lost. Please try to stay with us. You're supposed to be our backup.
Wow.
We need to be quiet, Poe. This is the dreaded Kang territory.
Did you hear that, guys?
Why is Kang so dreaded?
Mr. Pig, please.
Kang's wolves are the most feared and ruthless river pirates anywhere.
But why?
Hello? He's a wolf pirate.
And he's known for his cunning. I am Kang, prepare to die.
How do you get the Ming Hammer?
Oh, Not if I get in first! I am king! I must have that bottle! Now for you, and this is for the Emperor! Watch for the spikes! Oh! Hold on, Daddy! Ah! The liquid of ultimate power is mine! Here it comes again! Just in time! Get some back there! Hang on! We're almost there! Oh, I'm so excited! We're gonna be the Emperor! Hey, everybody! We're here!
The Dragon Warrior!
Your Imperial Highness, it is with great pleasure.
I am king!
Really?
I will defeat you in the spirit realm! Heads up, King. You're outnumbered 3-1. Not for long! Give me that bottle! Oh, no, you don't, King! The power of two! You're no match for my hammer! I'm coming, Dad! Think again! Choose, Panda! Your father or the bottle! Here I come, Dad!
The Dragon Warrior!
I'm sorry. I lost your special delivery.
You are my special delivery.
Wait, me? And what was in that bottle?
The secret ingredient to my hot
Dad, your hot sauce is awesome!
And your tongue is as formidable as your kung fu.
Yeah, well, I've had a lot of training.